Alright guys, what's up? Day 29 of the 100 Days of LeetCode. We're going to be doing an SQL question today, so without further ado, let's get right to it. So it's number 183, customers who never order. And it gives us the schema here. So basically we have a couple columns, ID and name. It's got the types there. ID is the primary key, and it explains, some basic stuff about the table there. We also have an orders table. We also got ID and customer ID. So ID is the primary key, but then customer ID is the ID up here of the customer who actually placed that order. So customer ID would be the foreign key. So we want to write an SQL query to report all the customers that never ordered anything. And it's going to give us a format down here that we have to follow. So here we got a table, customers table, and we got an orders table. So 3 and 1 both exist in this orders, which means that Sam and Joe ordered something. So we don't want to return Sam and Joe. We want to return Henry and Max because 2 or 4 is not present in this column of the orders table. And this is how it's outputted. The header is customers. We got Henry and Max in the table. So the very first thing we want to do is we want to select name, because that's actually going to be what we're returning in the query, as customers from customers. Okay, so we're taking the name from the customers table and we're going to be putting it as customers. So that's how we're setting this header as customers. Cool. Now what we want to do is we want to say where ID not in, select customer ID from orders. So what this says is, okay, we're going to get this, but also the ID cannot be in the result of this query. Okay, so that would immediately eliminate 3 and 1. And that should be it. There you go. That's how you solve that one. If you guys have been enjoying these videos, please like and subscribe. I would appreciate that. Let's see you tomorrow for day 30.